In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment slots in Google Calendar for the 20 and 25 edition. Let's dive right in and get your scheduling streamlined and efficient. First things first, head over to your Google Calendar. You can easily do this by opening up your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once you're on the main calendar page, take a look at the top left corner where you'll see the Create button. Go ahead and click that. Next up, from the options listed in the drop-down menu, choose Appointment Schedule. It's designed to help you manage your time better, allowing others to book slots with you without any hassle. Now you'll find yourself on the appointment creation page where you can start entering the details for your appointments. Think of a unique and clear title for your appointment slots, a title that gives a brief idea of what the meeting is about. Then decide on the duration for each slot. This can vary depending on the nature of your appointments, but a common duration is often 30 minutes to an hour. Select the date and time that works for you and jot those details down. After you've filled in the initial details, click on Next to proceed further. Here's where you can customize your appointment even more. You have the option to change your photo to add a personal touch. It's also a great idea to set the meeting location, whether it's a physical address if you're meeting in person, or an online platform like Google Meet if it's virtual. This ensures everyone knows where to go at the time of their appointment. Once you've set everything up to your liking, it's time to finalize by clicking on Save. With that, your appointment schedule is all set up and ready for bookings. Now, to share your newly created booking page, return to your calendar grid. Click on the appointment schedule you've just created. A window will pop up with various options. Find and click on the Share button. This feature is fantastic for spreading the word efficiently. Once you click Share, you will see a Copy Link option. Select it to copy the link to your clipboard. Finally, you can paste the link wherever you need to share your appointment schedule, whether it's in an email, a social media post, or directly message someone. It's entirely up to you. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and organized approach to managing appointments using Google Calendar. Hopefully this will save you time and streamline your scheduling processes. Thanks for joining in, and see you next time.